Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Farali Curd Rice. We are going to make use of Barnyard Millets for this. Barnyard Millets are known as Samak Chawal in Hindi, and lots of dishes are made during the fasting period with this grain. So curd rice is good for a change. All the time we eat sabudana, vadas, khichdis, puris, halwas. So for a change, this curd rice is nice and cooling. You can either have it plain or even add some fruits like grapes to it, or you can add grated carrot. So let's go and prepare this Farali curd rice. Here we have yogurt, we'll use as required, and 3/4 cup of Barnyard Millets. They are known as Samo or Samak ke Chawal in Hindi. And some Senda namak or rock salt, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of oil, some fresh coriander leaves, and grated carrot. I've soaked the barnyard millets because at least we have to soak it for 1 hour. And for banana fry, we'll require raw bananas as needed. I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil, some salt, rock salt, cumin powder half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur or dry mango powder. Transfer the soaked barnyard millets or samak ki chawal in a pressure cooker. Add double quantity of water. Add some salt, senda namak, give it a stir and close the lid. We are going to cook it for 3 whistles. Now apply little oil on the rim. This is the tip so that the water doesn't come out. Release the pressure and then open the cooker. It's done perfectly. Now we'll let this cool because we cannot add curd in the hot rice. Meanwhile, let's prepare the fried bananas. Peel the bananas. Cut them into thicker slices. Sprinkle some salt on it. Mix them thoroughly so that the salt is evenly spread on all the slices. Heat little oil in a frying pan, about 2 tablespoons. Take a wider pan. After it's hot, reduce to medium and then dip in the banana slices. After half a minute, flip the sides. Banana cooks very fast. It doesn't require long time. It just takes 4 to 5 minutes. You can even cut the banana lengthwise and cut out larger pieces, or even like poriyal, cut them into small pieces and stir fry them. Now we'll let them cook on the other side as well. Once they are done, check with a fork if they are soft. Once they are done, we will sprinkle the spice powders. Now since this is Farali, I'm only using cumin powder, amchur powder and black pepper. Usually you can sprinkle all the spices and make them nice and spicier. You can even sprinkle podi on them. Now give it a nice toss. Bananas are done. Set them aside. Now we'll prepare the curd rice. Mix them together. Take the yogurt in a larger bowl. Add some salt, sugar and black pepper. Sugar balances the flavors because Sometimes the yogurt becomes very sour. Add little bit of water. Use filtered water. Give it a nice whisk. Add the grated carrots and coriander leaves. Make sure the Barnyard Millets or Samak Chawal is cool enough when you are adding it to the yogurt. Now I have not added the entire quantity. Let's mix it and then check out. We can add later also. Enough curd to add some more. You can even add small grapes to this. Even pomegranate seeds. They make the curd rice look so inviting and colorful. Now the mixing is done. Check the salt. Add a little more if required. And give it a mix again. This is done. Now add the tempering. Along with the cumin seeds, I decided to add some cashew nuts also for crunchiness, which I have not shown in the ingredients. So add the tempering and mix it. Some I am keeping for the garnishing. You can enjoy this curd rice at room temperature or even refrigerate it and enjoy it chilled. It's ready for plating. So friends, make and enjoy this Farali version of curd rice, a lovely change from the fried sabudana vadas and puris. I have served this with some sabudana fryams and banana fry, and these are sun-dried chilies which pair well with curd rice. They are called More Molaga in Tamil and Majjiga Mirapakayalu in Telugu. The chilies are marinated with buttermilk or yogurt, to which salt is added, and then they are sun-dried. These can be stored for a long time and you can fry them as and when required. Happy cooking! Stay tuned for more recipes. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.